Smiling faces. Such a great occasion we have of installing the board of directors today. Dignitaries on dais and dignitaries of the dais. My fellow Rotarians, Rotaractors, ladies and gentlemen. Friends, we need to make a roadmap. I would like each one of you to create a vision board. What you want to become, keep that image in front of you. At certain age, there are so many distractions. And you and I cannot rewind the time. There is no time machine. Cannot go back. So utilize your time fruitfully. In my introduction, it was mentioned that I was invited to meet Bill Gates. Bill Gates never had any money in his pocket, and yet he became the richest man in the world. How is that? You need that inner drive. You need to make a goal, make milestones. Use this opportunity of being a Rotaract Club member. It's an excellent opportunity to show your leadership, develop your leadership talents, grab the opportunity to become an office bearer, to lead a project. And it will help you in your bio to get a job. In case if you want to become an entrepreneur, people are looking at the LinkedIn bio. And being a social media guy, I would like you to make your LinkedIn profile a shining LinkedIn profile. Apart from your skills and educational qualification, add your social service projects. People are going to watch that. University in USA especially will look what kind of community service project you have done. Maybe in orphanage or a rural school, whatever it is. As president of your parent club, Rotary Club of Pune camp, I invite each one of you to join in our projects. We have been doing a lot of projects. I welcome you. Lead that part. Show off your leadership quality. What if some mistakes are there? It's okay. Experience is mistakes only. Experience is nothing but you have done something and now you know what to do, how to do, do's and don'ts. Please utilize your 24 hours in a productive manner. Friends, I would like to take example of my daughter. She was working in Singapore. She did her PhD in Germany and then she went to Stanford. Stanford University, one of the top in the world. She did her data science